So guys, let's start to make a download setup for the Office 365, the full setup using the ODT tool. Otherwise, because as we are know about that the Office 365 no setup is available. So first of all, we'll download the Office deployment tool if we need it. Following this link to making going and set up it, download it. Then we'll make a configuration file which will be help to be download the setup. Based on that, we'll have a help on that. Go to the config.office.com. We'll create a click on new create configuration. We'll select the architecture we want to be deploy or download the setup. So in my case, I use 64-bit. So here is the more versions is available basically, so you can select according to you need to be downloaded will make the setup. So in my case I will be use 365 of business and will keep a current channel with the latest update version. Also you can select if you need two previous older release as well. In my case I will select latest. We'll click next. We'll select the language is India, US, English as well. Always it will depend on your country. Basically if you want to select different you can do it. We'll keep rest testing with the remain same. Finish. Export. It will be help to be download the setup. We'll make the file name as it is same, so it will, because we are referring a document, so it will be help to be easy to understand to make a setup file. So now the file is also downloaded. Now we are going to be, we'll go to the download section to make a deployment and these things. So we'll so actually I have already downloaded earlier, so but I will do the same. I will tell you the steps the same what we have to do. So these files have this configuration and this deployment tool is there. So we'll extract, double click on it and extract the setup here. First of all I will delete this one now. So we'll extract the setup here, the same location. Accept, continue and select the same this ODT path and click OK. So it will be extract the folders, I mean the ODT path over there. Okay, added it. Now see that this one and this confusion is there. Now open the CMD as an administrator. So I have already opened there. Now we'll refer the document, I mean according to the section. So after download this, will to download the Office 365 product using the language, use download mode. For example, setup.exe slash download config.xml. So how it is here? Here setup.exe is this one. So we'll make it same this slash download. We'll use it download surface this configuration x.xml. Make sure .xml is there, extension we need it, and press the enter. This folder will create itself using the whenever the directory is downloaded from the internet. Once it is done, it will take around 3 to 4 5 GB setup. It is around 3 to 4 5 GB setup, and it will be stop and back to the same folder like that, and you will use the same command and select the option configure configuration using this one. How you will be do, like the next part you download it, you just use the configure to mode, you configure mode, remove the to remove and update the product language, example setup.exe configure installation install config.xml, and it will start and update them quickly without internet. So see, I was recently updated the latest version. Here you can see Office sheet update in Office updates already there. Up to date. So thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe. Click share. Bye bye.